Ready to integrate your existing phone number with Retell and revolutionize your communication? Let's explore how you can seamlessly integrate your existing number with Retell. Using your current number is often possible, which is great for brand recognition and streamlining customer interactions. This is often called number porting. Number porting transfers your existing phone number from your current provider to Retell. First, verify your number's eligibility. Most landlines and mobile numbers are, but confirm specific restrictions and compatibility requirements with Retell support. Gather essential information. Next, you'll need your current provider's details, account number, the number you want to port, and potentially a letter of authorization. Retell's website and support team provide specific instructions. This is essential to authorize Retell to initiate the transfer. Start the porting process through your Retell account dashboard. Follow prompts to submit the gathered information. Pay attention to any specific forms or documentation requested. Retell handles most of the work. Also note there may be a small porting fee. Porting takes a few days to weeks. Retell will keep you informed. There might be a brief outage during the transfer. Once the porting is complete, test the number in Retell. Ensure everything is working and you've successfully transferred the number. Maintaining brand consistency while enhancing your communication with Retell's tools, streamlining channels and ensuring seamless customer interactions.